This is the fourth equation in the equation sheet. Acceleration equal to the net force divided by m. Let's go ahead and prove it. You have an experiment lab as seen. So you have motion sensor to measure the acceleration, and you have a force sensor to measure the force. You're gonna repeat the experiment with different force, and you have different acceleration for different force. Repeat it at least 5 times to make the number more accurate. Then you're gonna make a data table with the y is the force and the x is the acceleration. After you collected the data table, you're gonna make a graph. And again, with force on the y-axis and acceleration on the x-axis. Put the data into the graph and you can have a straight line. And the slope of that line is gonna be equal to the mass, which is makes sense because y equal mx, or force equal to ma, or as the equation says, A equal net force over m.